I thought I would be doing my squishy collection, so let's just get some. So for so as I have this baseball. Oopsies. I had this. Sorry guys. I had this squishy on it. It's from a Lodge. I just put the squishy on it though. Sorry I can't talk today. I had this cobra snake. I know it's a little squishy. Well, you know, it's squishy. I had this Rhino turtle. I have this baseball. It's alright. I have this soccer ball.
Yeah.
I have this ice cream.
No, you're up top there, where the peanut butter is.
I have this another ice cream. It's a lake. It's squishy. I have this rip face thing. I have this bread. It smells like popcorn. I have this turtle. I have this bun. This smiling face squishy. I get this other ice cream. Sorry. I got this. Oopsies. Doing it. This marshmallow. This. Oh. No, I'm done this. So.
What?
I have this thing.
You can do what you want. I just like them plain or with peanut butter.
I have this football. It's made it squeeze toy. There's a bug coming out. This mad ball. This is the one I got.
All I had was 2 of them and a little ball. 40 shots.
They're in the background. I have this tennis ball. I have this basketball.
The little girl screws up for her, unfortunately. It's tough. The other guy.
I have this monster shape that used to be a panda bun. So here's panda bun. This burger. This melon bun. This panda bread. This thing, I forget what it's called. This bread. This ice cream. Double decker. Here's another panda bun. I have so much panda buns. Here's a donut. Here's a cupcake. Here's a thing. This bread toast. This other panda bread. This macaroon, whatever you say it. I'll say it. This bread thing. This thingy chick. This turtle. This hamburger. Sorry for the background, guys. This pot, this like
That peanut
thing.
butter does fill you up, though.
This turtle. This decorated Hello Kitty donut. Some reason I had the tag and I cut it off and I don't know where it is. This donut. This tomato. This hot dog. This shell bun. This kind of like, oh yeah, waffle. This double decker ice cream. This bread, emoji bread. We're done this box. Now we're gonna put this box. I had this donut. This
Need something
thing,
different. New.
Hello Kitty donut. This face thing. This bread.
It's Newt's device.
This and a bun. This
My
Another
sweater has
donut.
my name on it. Gianna has
This.
my name on it. Whoa.
smell bush bun. Okay, that's it. Dollar Squishy Collection. Bye.